Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again. Triumph Walk Show. This dealership gets all the good shit. This is a 2021 Harley Davidson Pan America Special. This is a 1252 cc V-twin engine, claiming 150 brake horsepower, 94 foot-pounds of torque, and weighing in at roughly 556 pounds. You have fully adjustable electronic suspension, front and rear. You have Brembo brakes. I mean, this is about as modern as it gets. And I have ridden a 2023 on a brief demo ride, and I didn't get to really experience it too much, and I kind of wanted to get a little bit more, and well, it's a demo ride, so I don't get a chance. This, however, is from our partner dealership here at Triumph Daytona, so while I'm only going to take it on a brief ride, I at least get to experience it the way I want, at least for the road. Oh, it's got that adaptive ride height. Kickstand up. So, 5'9", I am on the balls of my feet. Okay. I kick it into gear. Adjust my mirrors. And let's get on the road. This bike says that it weighs 556 pounds, and I gotta be honest with you, I really loved riding this at the demo ride. And like I said, I really just wanted more time on it, and thankfully they got a used one here that they're letting me take out. The thing about this bike is it's so different from Harley, and honestly, that's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. I mean, I love Harley Davidsons. I really do. I love Harleys, and I want Harley to succeed, and I want them to be around for a long time to come. And to do that, you have to attract a different level of rider, and the only way to attract them is to get bikes that are more appealing to that demographic. And this bike is going to appeal to the off-road, as it should, because honestly, it's, from what I've gotten a chance to ride this bike, it's really good. It really is. It's very comfortable. It's very easy to ride. It's quick. I mean, this is 150 horsepower. That's a lot. I mean, at a stand while I'm here, I'm on the balls of my feet on a big ADV bike. I mean, usually on a big ADV bike, shit, I'm sitting on my toes. I'm lucky to be able to get my feet down at all. Usually one leg rear brake the whole time, because I can't get comfortable without it. This particular one does not have a quick shifter, which I've said before on other videos. I don't want a quick shifter on my scramblers or my ADVs. I just don't want a quick shifter. Because if I do go down a fire road, if I go down a, you know, if I go off-road at all, and my foot slips and hits the shifter, which I have had happen, well, I'm gonna downshift, and I might not want to downshift at that moment. So, yeah, I don't want that. This windscreen is taking a lot of air out of the cabin. I mean, a lot of air. It's a pretty quick bike. And I'm happy that this bike exists from Harley Davidson. I really am. Because this is actually a really good bike. This engine is really good, and I really hope they bring this engine into more bikes and get more people looking at Harley Davidson. Right there. It's a wide turning circle. I mean, I got it in 3. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's very easy to control. I mean, I've ridden worse. I've ridden a lot worse. I always have to slow down here, especially if there's a car there. I really don't want to follow that car up this hill. Yeah. Yeah. Bike leans over just fine. It's very, very comfortable. The seat is very comfortable. This still isn't my favorite. It still isn't my favorite big ADV bike by any means. They have my favorite big ADV bike, the Triumph Daytona, but this actually comes in a close second. To be honest, you know, it suits me very well, and I'm a big fan of it. If you haven't already couldn't already tell, I'm a big fan of this bike. I'm a big fan of how it rides. I'm a big fan of how it goes down the road. I'm a big fan of big fan of its power delivery. Now, my favorite delivers more, and honestly is a little bit better, in my opinion. But this bike is really good, and it's got character. It does have character, which is the other thing that I really like about it. It's not boring. ADV bike that everybody says is the greatest ADV bike ever, honestly, is one of the most boring things I've ever ridden. And I've ridden a lot of bikes, and this bike is not boring. It's got good throttle. This has got good throttle. It's a fun bike, and it's kind of growly, and it's got character and soul, and honestly, it's beautiful. It is. It's beautiful. I love it. I do. I love this bike. I mean, it's $20,000. Let's put it in perspective. It's 20 grand. Brand new. This bike. It's still like $20,000 brand new for the 2023. So it's not cheap. But like I said, it's got character and soul and a feeling, and cruise control. Got a lot of buttons, I will say that. A lot of buttons. But this bike is great. It really is. It's not the best. Not yet. Harley keeps going with it though, and they don't give up. Which seems to be what people like to do if things don't go their way immediately. They just give up. You know, if they don't give up, this could be a great bike. This could be the best ADV bike. Refine the interface, refine the buttons. There's a lot of buttons. Refine that, make it better. The engine is really good as is. It really is. It's really good as is. This engine doesn't need more power. It's fine. Leave it alone. I mean, I'm trundling along at 5th gear at 3,000 RPMs. Your stand-up position on this bike is really good. I mean, really good. Wide handlebars. I can look down, I can see my speed. No problem, no issues. Everything about this bike is purpose built. It's really good. It's really good. Oh, Harley, do not give up. Do not stop. Keep making it. Keep making this bike. Keep making this engine. Build this engine in more. Put this in more bikes. Because I'm not gonna lie, it's that good. This engine is really good. If you're a Harley purist, I'm telling you, try this engine. It's really good. Baby. I didn't get a chance to do 0 to 60, so I figured, well, I'll just give it a pull there. It's really good. It really is. Stand-up position's really good. Everything's really good. I mean, yeah, they've had quirks. They've had issues. Most bikes do. But I don't really care. I really don't. Kickstand is actually up towards the front on this bike. A little different. But That being said, I really like it. I've always liked the Pan America. I think it's really, really good. And like I said, I just hope Harley doesn't stop. I hope they don't give up. Man. 2021. Harley Davidson Pan America S. If you haven't ridden one, try it. Because it's really good. I'm telling you, it's really good. It's not as good as the Tiger 1200. Honestly, it's not. But it's close. And both are better than a BMW GS. You gotta ride it to understand it, but it's true. In my opinion, it's true. These bikes are both better. They have character, they have soul, they have a feel. They want you to ride it. You know, they want you to ride it. The BMW is like, you're here, whatever. This is not like that. And neither is that. So, just some old guy's opinion. Take it for what it's worth. Everybody, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one.